Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty Only. So I'm bringing a very useful and basic video. So please do not skip, watch till end. It would be a good learning for you. So in this video we would be seeing what is price action, how the price moves as per the price action, and how to trade using price action. Okay, so when I entered into the market and I was new like you without knowledge, I used to take trade anywhere based on tips, calls, then individual uh, trading, watching videos from YouTube and taking the trade. All I went up into the losses, and this is where I decided that knowledge is very important. So I had stopped my trading in between when I started sharing my analysis as well. So I had also shared my experience where I deployed a capital of 1 lakh. I made a profit of 40,000. So total capital was 1 lakh 40,000, and uh, due to lack of sufficient time, as because I work in IT firm, I did not get enough time to take trades. And हम बोलते हैं ना कि हाथ में खुजली आ गई, चलो ट्रेड ले लेते हैं. तो so because of this thing I lost that whatever profit I had earned, and I finally decided to quit trading, focus on learning and trying to learn so many things since then. And it's a never ending process. Learning is a never ending process. Okay, so I would also request my followers to please focus on learning first. This is where the name of our channel is Bank Nifty Only, learn and earn. Okay, so I have read multiple articles on price action and watched multiple videos, but I was not convinced enough, or I was not getting the exact definition what is price action, how it behaves, and what it does. And finally, gathering multiple things from different writers, different YouTubers, different articles, I found my own definition in a simple manner, and this is what I would try to explain it to you. Okay, so let us begin. uh, Also you can share your definition for the price action, your thoughts into the comment section, and I hope at least I would get 50 likes for this videos. I'm not expecting much, but 50 likes for these videos. So come on guys, share your thoughts as well. So let us begin. So basically, what is a price action? So as per definition and as per my experience and as per my understanding, it is nothing but a movement of a price in a particular time frame, or at that particular time frame. So what is the time frame? It is 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, etc. It may be 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, weekly, one day. So the movement of a price in that particular time frame, we can call it as a price action. So if we divide this into two parts, we can clearly identify the two different meanings. The price represents the actual price, and action, what does the action represents? Action represents the movement, whether it is the in trading terms we call it as a bullish movement when it is moving upward, and we called it as a bearish movement when it is moving downward. So price action, a combination, that is movement of a particular price in that particular time frame, we can call it as a price action. So how price moves as per price action? So we understood that the movement of a price in a particular time frame is called a price action. So in a bullish movement, what it would do, or how it would move by making higher highs and higher lows. Just understand, I would show couple of examples on the chart as well. In bearish movement, it would move by making lower highs and lower lows. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this particular thing as well. Those who are new, or those who don't know price action at all, or you are viewing my channel or video for the first time, and how to take trades based on price action. So when to buy? When last lower high is taken out. Okay, I would give you an example of this. And sell when last lower low is taken out. Sell trade, when to take the sell trade, when last higher low is taken out. So we would see examples of this. So, and why people tend, or why whenever you see uh, a professional trader, they would always trade based on price action, because indicators are lagging indicators, right? Why do we call lagging indicators? Because the indicators that are derived from the price. Okay, so whenever a price will move, or that particular thing has happened, whenever that movement has happened, then that indicator would give the signal. Okay, but with the price action, with the movement itself, you would get the indication of bullish or bearish movement. So I hope you are getting the point, why people tend towards price action. And when they say advanced price action, there is nothing concept called advanced price action. People try to fool you. Only the thing is that when you say advanced price action, they would combine different things along with price action. I mean to say, uh, the formation of higher highs, higher lows, and this particular lower lows and lower highs, they would combine with trend lines, okay, support and resistance. So these things would combine, and they would make you feel that this is advanced price action. Okay, they would include the formation of any chart pattern and so on. So just understand this basic concept, you would be uh, very much happy to see how actually price action moves, or what the price action is. So let us go on to the chart. So this is the bank nifty spot chart, and the time frame is 15 minutes time frame. So this is the latest example, you can see from the 29th October. This is, and now I have one of the indicator which plots the price actions: higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low. So if we consider the move, if we consider this downfall, okay, and when price moves in the upward direction, what it does, so when market was at this particular point, it created a lower low. Why it is lower low? If we consider the previous low which was made, it is below this lower low, so we call this as a lower low. And LH stands for lower high. Why this is lower high? Because if we consider the high with the previous high, it is low, it is lower than the previous high, so it is lower high. And when price tends to move or change its direction or reverses, so what it would do, it would create a first higher low. If we consider this particular point which I am highlighting, it this high, this low is higher than the previous low. That is where we have marked this at higher low. Okay, then it would again create a low higher than previous low. That is why higher high, how the price moves in the upward direction, making higher lows, okay, and higher highs. Okay, you get my point. You can take the screenshot of this particular thing as well to understand. When price makes a bullish move, it makes higher lows and higher highs. Okay, I think you have got. And the price action works in all time frame, in all time frame, from 1 minute to whatever time frame you take. Okay, so this was an example of 15 minutes time frame. Let me show you in 1 minute time frame as well. Okay, so what I'm showing you an example is of 3rd November. Time is 13:27. It is around 1 o'clock 27 minutes. Okay, so here you can see lower low was made. We have a lower high, lower high. Okay, so when price started moving up, it made a first higher low and then higher low. So now here the question is, this indicator has not plotted a higher low in between. That is why I would not suggest to what we can say, depend on the indicators that are plotting the price action. you can clearly identify with your naked eyes as well. Okay, so this is higher low. Next is this higher low. You can consider this point as next higher low, this higher low, and here. Okay, so I hope till here these 2 points are clear, what is price action and how the price moves. Okay, in the downtrend also we can say it is making a lower low, lower high. This is another lower low, another lower low. Okay, same same thing we have seen in the downtrend as well. Now let us see how to take the trade. So buy trade when last lower high is taken out. Okay, what does this mean? So this is a downtrend when last lower high. If you see, this is the last lower high that was created. When this high is taken out, you can see at this particular candle. Okay, so if you are trading in a 1 minute time frame, you should enter above this. Okay, above this. So when last lower high is taken out, you can enter into the trade of buy setup. Okay, or this is the first way. Second thing, for confirmation, when price move up and it retests this particular level, that is, this level was acting as a resistance. When this resistance was broken, as I said, when a resistance is broken, it would act as a support. So at this particular point, you can clearly see market is taking the support and then moving ahead. So this is we call retesting. Okay, so this is full and final confirmed that market is going to move up. So you can either, so you ideally you should enter at this particular point, but sometimes you would not get a chance, or you would not get to see such kind of scenarios. When market breaks such lower high, it would keep on moving up and up. In similar manner, uh, let us see the example of sell example. So sell example is when last lower, sorry, when last higher low is taken out. When last higher low is taken out. So I mean to say, let us take the same example, this. So now one may consider wick as higher low, one may consider the body. So when you consider body, let me draw one horizontal line so that you can clearly understand. Okay, so this is one low that is made, higher low. Okay, market what it did, it took the higher low, last higher low, and it moved down, but it tried to retrace or move up. So when a support was broken, it started acting as a resistance, a perfect example. So when market reverses from this particular point, you should enter into the trade. Okay, so this wick clearly identifies that price, there is a rejection of an upward movement and next candle forming the red, you can clearly identify. So you can even enter after this, so the stop loss becomes low and you see a good downfall. Okay, so I hope you have understood. If you haven't understood, please mention into the comments. Please comment whatever you feel regarding this price action thing. I have tried to explain it in a very simple manner. I hope you like, and I'm expecting at least 50 likes for this video. Please share as much as possible with your friends. Okay, guys, you are paying thousands of rupees to understand this, and I have given it to all of my subscribers, all of my followers, a very uh, genuine knowledge, we can say, or very good knowledge, or very good content, free of cost. So what I'm expecting, your beautiful comment and one like, and do share it with your friends as well. Thank you.